do with some cookies to share.
Thank you, Mrs. Diaz.
I'll be inside if you guys need anything else.
What should we do after lunch?
I don't know. Jen? Hello? Earth to Jen.
Oh, sorry, I was just thinking. About... Well, you know Mr. Madigan?
Yeah?
What do you guys think of him?
He's okay. Why?
I just don't like him that much.
Is he mean to you?
No, but he makes me feel uncomfortable. He's always trying to talk to me alone. It just feels weird.
You should tell an adult.
A trusted adult.
What's the difference?
Trusted adults are special. You can count on them to listen to you and help you. They make you feel safe.
Like my teacher, Mrs. Johnson? I told her when some kids were bullying me, and she stopped them.
Exactly. Or my dad. He teaches me things and helps me when I'm scared. I know he's a trusted adult because he's there for me no matter what.
I could tell my mom. She always helps me out, but I don't want to make a big deal out of it.
If it's bothering you, it is a big deal. You should tell.
But what if my mom gets mad?
Trusted adults don't get mad when you tell them how you feel. They help you.
Okay, I'll talk to my mom as soon as she gets home.
Good idea. And speaking of asking trusted adults for help, Mom, we need more cookies.
Sugar cookies if you have them. Chocolate chip preferably.